when I get for this knock on my hip. Like, boy, better run with a dip. Like, boy, better dumb if I slip. He gets a shot to the head if you trip. He tried to bend on my block, but he missed. That nigga was lucky, I ain't had a grip. Ever since it's been stuck to my head, told them niggas slide back, and now he on the list. Told them niggas is bad, some niggas get active. He got shot and took it on the high. Those bitches is smart, she be doing thick passive.
Alright, yo, this is the do-it-yourself version. We are not spending $400 on a cold air intake. You're tripping. Get yourself the filter, get yourself a MAV sensor mount, and get yourself a little connector. This is all the shit that I bought so I could do this. The K&N air filter. You need this little Spectra connector. This is 3 inches. Everything is 3 inches. This kit right here is fried, but yeah, you need that. K&N, only go K&N. You need the mount for your MAV sensor. You need to plug it in somewhere. You can't just have that shit laying around. And as you can see, my shit don't fit, but we gon' make it fit. What I did was, when I screwed in one part, it kind of lined up a little bit, but then you just gotta force the next side in there, not gonna lie. Rev it.
You don't want to wait for that shit heat up.
No more. Alright. Yeah, it sounds like shit.
How does that even work?
I don't know, but it do.
It feels wobbly.
Try to take out with your hand now.
Hell no.
Is it twisting?
You see, okay, it's like that. This point, just yank that bitch. You see, papi? You have to yank it, papi. So
Yeah.
this is your headlight wire? Wow.
So y'all can see. This wire runs to my headlights on my fog lights, but they got fucked up.
It's not possible to plug those back in?
Well, the plug is gone.
No, just half of it.
Okay, here's the plug.
So what's that? So what's that other plug?
There's like, it's 2 other.
Probably a signal and everything.
Look, this is the plug connector part. Whole plug snapped. They got ran over it. See, look, that shit right here. You see that black piece?
Yeah.
By the headlight with that wire?
Yeah.
That's it right there. It snapped off. That shit plugs into my fog lights.
Where is that at?
The fog lights are all the way down there. That's the fog lights. Gang, 328, 140 pushing like who wanna race. I got a baddie, take it to the face. I put your card and play it like an ace. She got a nigga, no he can't relate. I had to show him he could get replaced. Like I'ma up and spray like his mace. Beam up on his figgy, I won't leave a trace. Oh, you got that side, I heard you got a strain. Sprint to that block, I'm looking for that chain. Why these niggas switch up on you for some change? Up and hit his body, watch him rearrange. Homie got hit and you ain't do a thing. Got in the stew, that nigga made a track. Go and grab a nigga, go get back. Bitch, I made a couple that we off the trap. Pops told me be a king, I always lead. Ain't no way that I can follow. Trapping in the yam, serving up them bottles. Big tours for the.
What was that?
What the fuck was that?
What was that?
My fucking bumper. Oh my fucking leg. Oh god.
Oh, that's nothing.
Yeah. Fucking.
The shit is fully gone now.
Yeah.
The words is fully gone, so that's pretty much in there. Pause.
No diddy.
This alone make this shit look more like a fucking race car.
Exactly. Oh yeah, this is a 328 for y'all, by the way. Y'all could suck dick in the comments if y'all want, but this should be
not a 335. It has no twin turbo.
And bro, once you really look at the specs, bro, a fucking 335, that shit just got
no turbo.
more torque.
Yes, now we know. This is something that you screw on before.
This shit is not made for these screws. Screws is way bigger than it.
Oh, it's
like you're drilling.
Well, it's gonna be snug. It's probably like, what the fuck is he doing? I don't know, one side come up too much and then it's
That's what I'm saying. So you gotta have to stop and screw in the other side too.
I don't know if those
Other side even gonna get in there.
yeah.
The other side not.
What was that? Oh no.
What was that?
That was for the
intake box.
yeah, to hold it down. He was already missing the 1 volt for it. So like that.
Yeah. So
I definitely can't put that back in.
So no intake box?
No intake box.
You just make shield?
Nah, yeah. There a little more snugger dog.
That way this shit don't feel like it's moving.
You feel me? And I don't get no math codes all day.
It's really all the song.
That's not the point yet. Alright. And here you guys have a hot air intake.
Yeah, totally a hot air intake.
That's how I feel like it might not be that hot. Cause this
I got that airflow at the bottom.
and this. You got a hold by the
It's not gonna be that hot.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be that hot, but it's like, you know.
It's not gonna be shut.
It's not gonna be yeah.
And the shit just pulls up.
Boom. I lose my whole face. Like, could I still sue y'all?
Yeah. What you mean? You the one that put it in.
I'll check the for codes.
There's no difference.
Nah,
It sounded a little louder up there.
it definitely did.
This is a little. Wireless mic?
Yeah. Oh, that shit sound way different. Alright. Daytime now. Nighttime, dark as shit. Couldn't even really see nothing. But I have everything fitted on there pretty good. I'm gonna make a heat shield out of the OEM intake box, but yeah, that was too much work. It was fucking cold last night. We'll do that later. See a little housing for the nav sensor. Ain't really fit in there too good, but I'm just shove that shit in there. Yeah. I don't have my underliner to my wheels, so I should get a lot of air in my engine. So it's really not that hot. So if y'all want to learn how to make a heat shield, subscribe and tune in. No twin turbo, no 335. Revving it, the difference is not really there. It's real slight, but driving it, when you feel it, you definitely hear the difference. I'm not gonna lie. Gang, bitch, I'm up on the block, I've been trapping, You got a problem, what happened? Ain't no camera, my niggas been sniping, Everybody who that boy lacking. He's a runner, get turned into plastic, I'm married Dennis for the fashion. The exhaust wrap is supposed to help you keep high temperatures from your intake.
See, that shit gonna look nasty, bro. You gotta take it out.
Nigga, fuck you.
Don't be lazy.
What the? Give me the fucking shit.
This right here, we call a piece of shit.
Is it fucking focus?
This is fucking focus. You taking.
No, it's fucking not.
Cause you keep moving it towards the camera.
God. You're fired. My niggas quick to slide up on the nigga, put him on the news. What I gotta prove? I could be bugging, but I'm really chillin', and I got the work, I'm tryna make it move. Trap in the hall, I got it up in class. Teachers never like me, I ain't follow rules. Ain't no discussion, I don't politic with niggas. I'ma up and spark it like a fuse. Rubber band man, that nigga, he got stretched. Different on court, I'm moving like a ref. That boy be running till he out of breath. Getting that money, feel like BMF. Knock it like soccer, kick it like it's mess.